Life Extras. Live more life.
Welcome back to Life Extras, where we inspire you to live more life. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions but is often overlooked: ulcers. We'll explore what ulcers are and share natural strategies to help you overcome them without medication. Let's get started. First, let's understand what ulcers really are. Ulcers are sores that can develop in your stomach, small intestine, or even your esophagus. They can cause discomfort and pain, but the good news is that with the right lifestyle changes, you can manage and even overcome them naturally. Common symptoms of ulcers include a burning sensation in your stomach, bloating, nausea, and indigestion. If you experience these symptoms frequently, it's important to pay attention and take action. But don't worry, there are effective natural remedies we can explore. Here are several natural ways to help alleviate ulcer symptoms. Dietary changes. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Foods like bananas, apples, and leafy greens can be soothing. Avoid spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol, which can irritate your stomach lining. Probiotics. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can promote gut health and balance your digestive system. Honey. Raw honey has natural antibacterial properties. Consuming a spoonful daily may help heal ulcers and reduce inflammation. Aloe vera. Drinking aloe vera juice can soothe your digestive tract and promote healing. Just make sure to choose a product that is specifically designed for consumption. Chamomile tea. This calming tea can help reduce stress and soothe the stomach. Enjoy a cup or two daily to promote relaxation and healing. Manage stress. Stress can aggravate ulcers. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to help calm your mind and body. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for digestion and overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your system functioning smoothly. Regular meals. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help maintain your stomach's acidity levels and reduce discomfort. Alongside these remedies, adopting a healthy lifestyle can make a significant difference. Quit smoking. If you smoke, seek support to quit. Smoking can delay healing and increase ulcer risk. Regular exercise. Engage in moderate exercise like walking or swimming. It improves overall health and can help reduce stress. Adequate sleep. Prioritize quality sleep. A well-rested body is better equipped to heal and handle stress. Mindfulness practices. Consider mindfulness meditation or journaling to help process emotions and reduce stress. While these natural remedies can be effective, it's crucial to listen to your body. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. They can help rule out more serious conditions and provide tailored advice. Remember, living more life means taking care of your health and well-being. By making these lifestyle changes and embracing natural remedies, you can find relief from ulcers and enjoy a happier, healthier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights from Life Extras. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live more life.